Morning students, today we are starting with a new chapter, that is understanding quadrilateral. Hope you had done your exam well and good. Okay, so first chapter, understanding quadrilateral. Before going to the quadrilaterals, let's discuss about the types of line. There are some types of lines we had learned, that one is straight line, another one is curved line, and this straight line and curved line is very important in this chapter. Why? Because polygon. Before going to the topic of quadrilateral, first we should know about what is polygon. Polygon is made up of line segment. Polygon is a two-dimensional figure. Two-dimensional figure means it have length and breadth. Understood? So it is made up of line segments. This we are calling it as polygon. Understood? And polygon minimum has three sides. Starting from minimum, they will have three sides. Then only we are calling it as polygon. Understood? And these polygons are closed figures. And here we can see the different types of polygons in this picture. One is that you can see that here in the pic, that is triangle, which have three sides. Quadrilateral, any four-sided line segment, we are calling it as quadrilateral. Then if it is having five sides, we are calling it as pentagon. And another one, six-sided figure, we are calling it as hexagon. Seven-sided figure, we are calling it as heptagon. And eight-sided figure, octagon, octopus, which is having 8 tentacles. Remember that. 9, nanogon, and 10, decagon. It is infinity, students. How in rational number we had said the infinity, that rational number we had said infinity, like that there are infinite number of this polygons are there. Next we are going to see about is the diagonals. Diagonals means that you can see that what is diagonal. Diagonal is the when we are drawing line segment between the two vertices. When we are drawing the line segment between two vertices, joining the two vertices internally the line segment connecting the non-consecutive vertices. Consecutive means continue hota hai. This is non-consecutive vertices, that we are calling it as diagonals. In square also two diagonals are there, in rectangle also two diagonals are there. Understood? And in triangle have any diagonals. Okay students, triangle does not have any diagonals. For example, if this is the triangle, how we will draw the diagonals for this? Diagonals means that should that should connect the vertices. Here it won't connect. So triangle does not have any vertices. Understood students? And now we are going to move on to the topic of convex polygon and concave polygon. Convex and concave. In science you had read about the concave and convex mirror. The same thing we are going to do. Concave means that polygon is vertices are inward. For example, if this is the polygon, you can see this is also a polygon. It is having the concave shape. This is inward. The vertices are joined inward. This we are calling it as concave polygon. And this type of polygon we are calling it as convex, outward. That type of polygon we are calling it as convex polygon. Understood the difference, students? When it is inward, then we are calling it as concave. When it is outward, then we are calling it as convex polygon. First we had saw about the polygon. Next we had saw about the diagonals and convex and concave polygon. And quadrilateral means any three-sided four-sided figure, we are calling it as quadrilateral. Whatever figure and the line segment should be joined, then we are calling it as quadrilateral. Next we are going to learn about is regular and irregular polygon. What is regular and irregular polygon? In regular polygon, all the sides are same. In regular polygon, all the sides are same. All the three sides are same. In irregular polygon, that sides are varies from each other. Understood? The side don't match. Understand? All the three sides, whether for triangle I had said, it happens in quadrilateral also. Understood students? So this is the regular polygon which has equal sides, and the equilateral triangle is the example of regular polygon. And right angled triangle is the example of irregular polygon. You can say square. Square is a regular polygon, and a rectangle is a irregular polygon. Understood, students? Hope you understood this. What is polygon, what is diagonal, what is convex and concave polygon, regular and irregular polygon. In the next class we will start with the solving of them. We will see about the angles and property, and then we will start with our exercise 3.1. Understood, students? And if you are having any doubt, you can contact me. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Jai Swaminarayan, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.